Suddenly display power is gone. 24 volt DC supply is available, but suddenly display is gone. Now I am checking motherboard condition. LED is off. Now I am going to dismantle the motherboard, ETX or processor card, flash card. We want to check the motherboard will exchange with others controller. Supply off, flash card, processor card or ETX card, communication, motherboard with display, power supply for the display, this is motherboard of the 2500 Sedomat controller. And now going to collect the motherboard from another controller. This controller, this is IO card of this controller, ATX card, flash card, display power supply unplugged, communication, this is motherboard, this is casing and display unit. Okay, we are fixing motherboard from another controller to find out the problem. Display, power supply, plug in. I will supply the 24 volt DC. Only check the motherboard. Power on, LED indicator is on, motherboard power is available. I will fix flash card and processor card or ETX card. Okay, fixing the ETX card. Here 4 connector. Now fixing flash card. Now supply is on. I'll supply on without IO card. Okay, supply is on. I'll check what is the condition right now. Controller programming is coming one by one. Programming feature is coming. Now I am going to machine view. This is machine view. additional tank. Now display is okay. Problem was motherboard. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.